By the end of this video, you will know how to create a journal entry in Wave. Start by logging into your Wave account. Once you are signed in, look to the left-hand menu. This is where you will move into the accounting area, click Accounting, and then select Transactions. That opens the Transactions page where you can create a new manual entry. On the Transactions page, click Add Transaction. A menu will appear with different transaction options. From that menu, select Add Journal Entry. This opens the journal entry form where you can enter the details for the record you want to create. Begin with the date field. Enter the date that should be assigned to the journal entry. After that, move to the description field and add a short note that identifies the purpose of the entry. Keep the description clear enough that you can recognize it later when reviewing your records. Below that, you will see the journal entry lines. Each line includes fields for description, account, debit, and credit. Go through each line and edit those fields as needed. In the line description, enter a note that explains that specific part of the entry if needed. In the account field, choose the account that the line should post to. Then enter the amount in either the debit column or the credit column, depending on how that line should be recorded. As you complete the lines, make sure the account selected on each one matches the transaction you are recording. Also make sure that each amount is placed in the correct column, since a debit entered as a credit or the reverse will change the result of the entry. If your journal entry requires more than the lines already shown, click Add Line. This adds another row to the form so you can continue building the full entry. You can repeat that whenever more lines are needed until every part of the transaction has been included. Before saving, check the totals at the bottom or side of the entry, depending on how your screen is arranged. Wave requires the total debits and total credits to be equal. If those totals do not match, review the amounts and the debit or credit placement on each line until the entry is balanced. Once the totals match, review the journal entry from top to bottom. Confirm the date, the main description, each line description, the account selected, and the debit and credit amounts. This final review helps catch any detail that may need adjustment before the entry is recorded. When everything looks correct, click Save. Wave will record the journal entry and return you to the updated accounting record. Your journal entry is now created and saved in Wave.